How to download and install DuckDuckGo. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download and install DuckDuckGo. Without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and simply search for DuckDuckGo. You can directly head over to DuckDuckGo download as well. And after you do that, you will see DuckDuckGo's website. So go to this website that says download, and here you will see download for Windows. Now if you're not on Windows, you can do it for other as well. You'll see Mac, iOS and Android, other options. Since we're on Windows, I'll just tap on download DuckDuckGo for Windows. And as you can see, the download has already begun and there's the installer right there. Tap on the installer, and after you tap on the installer, the download process should begin. Simply tap on install now and it should start installing. Now it will do all of this stuff automatically. You don't really have to do anything, and it's that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.